Hey Kickstarter, this is a demo of Teracube. Let's start with some browsing. Here's a Twitter feed. We can go to our website. Now let's actually go somewhere. We are in the Seattle area, so we can go to Space Needle. Do some email. How about we check some social media? Instagram. We can take some pictures. It runs standard Android 9, so it has all the settings, all the quick tiles. Let's go to YouTube. We can search for Jimmy Fallon.
Here's how it works. Each shot sits on a coaster that has a personal question written on it, okay? You'll read the question silently, but you'll give your...
How about we play some games? Candy Crush? Some music. We can listen to Imagine Dragons. And Teracube has a headphone jack. As you can see, Teracube has a great processor, fast, and it can run all your apps smoothly. Thank you.